Shubor nakaslem jong Nongmensong Hima.
Ka dorbar Shnong Nongmensong hakajing trilang bat khat sau Tyllli ki Skul ki badan hak tiga Shnong hakash potrik yayong arjar arpun riu ki Pynlong ka Jingpynkhuid hakidong bat kentot ketika Shnong. Hashwa kani ladon ka Jingalang balingkot hakabala lumlang yaki kena naki weipat ki Skul ha Palau Saint Jerome High Secondary School Nongmensong bat hakani ka Jingalang lawan banedon Bynta da uba ALH MLA ka pentor umkra kumukongsan. Nalor uba hek ledon lang da uba Jefferson Kenjing Nongmensong ke projek Clean Surrounding ufada Patrick Lingdo Parish Priest Nongmensong Parish ki board penyat Shnong berkentup ya uba Raymond Kharjana Secretary uba Dimar Marbanyang Treasurer uba P Khan Finance Secretary ki samla ke Shnong ki nong hikai bat kiwe ki nong kran hangani ke Jingalang ki penken mau bakamaryang ke dei ke jingdon kam jong baro om nak Bynta ke jinglalot jong nori jong no ke jingkyar ban penen kam ki plastik ba penen kam tang shisien bat ba Nongmensong ke dei ke linti shagan new shilong bat kumta don kam ki nong Shnong ban nong ki basumar ban don ni ke jingwot Jingpynkhuid ke banye ban wanra ke khuit ke suba habalawai ke ti Jingalang uba hek lem ki riurang ba ki dalam kmat ha ke Jingpynkhuid Shnong bot pa da ki khna Skul ki ba ka dorbar Shnong klapya ha ki san Bynta nalor ke jingsam ki kot linkdop ki ba kran shephang kumno ban kyar nak ba penjaklia ki kindon bat kiwe pat.
If your mind is clean, everything it can be clean. The surrounding can be clean. Everything is depend on your mind, how you are thinking. You will be a game changer. Father has said that the Nongmensong is the gateway to the new Shalom. We are very, very proud to be a gateway to the new Shalom. So it is our duty and responsibility to keep our locality clean. Kadai am yang kapagin bo yang Shnong gejungi yang Skul gejungi kan Nongmensong. Tilaragi kwa benda gupta gini bendon pada the self awareness. You have to create your self awareness. If you are aware to yourself, you will be giving aware to anybody also. But if you are not you are not been aware to yourself, you will not be able to give aware to the other people. Today you have to be first. You have to have your self awareness. You should have in your mind that this is my responsibility. This is I have to take the ownership. The ownership kini belum kita try. Tak kepada berkuat yang kini surrounding kejungi. Berkuat yang kini Shnong kejungi, ke Skul kejungi. We should take the ownership. We should be very, proud to be taking the ownership. How to keep it clean. As I said by the all the speakers, la baru kita keren belakang nasional jangan. They have said so many things about the cleanliness is the next to godliness. But I'm telling you, before it rains, okay. And remove it after it rains. You'll see that the ground is dry. It prevents the water from going down. That is the main harm of plastic. Firstly, for our Mother Earth. And there are so many others. And if you burn them, what do we get? Cancer, asthma. If you look at the world now, pindapat iki yakapertai himenta ngi dang yo kita kimi ipa jungi who live hado prapo khandai po si spa stem tam namar balai menshwa kim na pendar kam thandai kata plastik kile akomno ki songi kado akasla kimti ki biskit hakakon kan ni ka plastik kamparwan ma ki im ki shat ki klan ki he ki san ki im temenro mangiban menta diseases everywhere, hospitals are full. What sort of diseases are coming out? We don't know. But we find there are many sick people now in our generation. The least that we can do, more pensyutan kendiat, habang ilik sayo, ra lagi pelajaran, kerang pindawang ilang ban sakyang, habang one school kumni, ra lagi glass bottles, lagi steel bottles, pisah pelang si kendiat kita, boleh pisah. Tindak dek langkah habadi siya, di hagi pela, wamum di hagi ni plastic cups kini kita, because even there, hangtu roll ada nak plastic. Pitem na mereka plastic lah, na hakata kurkom ni, dah baklut ikem, and then you will get the design that you want. Di mentas na dah baklut, there are so many chemicals there. Imagine pouring hot water in a glass of plastic and drinking. What are you drinking? You are drinking the chemicals. Pen bahagawi mo, sa itang itai, ladang isari yang isar kani katai, dabila ada pindak kita ay kekerlo ne pehangi rodon pumpung. When you touch anything after sweeping, you'll see that there's dust stuck everywhere. Now, these plastic bottles, of course we will be drinking, but then we have to reduce. These plastic bottles, inside these plastic bottles, there are those particles which are called microplastic. Macro business. Okay, micro is a small business. Micro relates to something which is very small. Here, in these plastic bottles, in those plastic plates, bangi bamja, then cut the song, pian tarona that we used to say, and the black one is very dangerous, no, black color.
All what is being created is so beautiful. How much more will be the Creator? He'll be more beautiful. So, the saying which says, cleanliness is next to godliness is actually the thing which we have to have. If anything, or if all what we see is what God created, they don't just come simply by chance. There is a power behind who created everything. We have to attribute a kind of gratitude to the one who has created everything. We have to say thank you. And how we say thank you is to keep the surroundings clean and cultivate healthy habits between us. There's a saying we say, keep order and order will keep you. Keep order. So I would say that cleanliness starts from a very personal level, especially maybe from home. The parents will have one place in which they will say it is a dustbin. All the children should not throw anything anywhere. They should throw in a dustbin. And the government has also put that what are the things to be thrown, maybe which is perishable one place and which is not perishable in another place. So we have to start from the family level in which we have to teach cleanliness.